consumers are using technology more than ever before. Without a doubt, you're using technology more than ever before for managing financial tasks, whether that's depositing a check that you get using the camera function on your phone, or just checking your bank balance, or maybe even just getting a text that your balance is above or below some amount. We're increasingly embedding these technologies into our financial lives. The thing is that it used to be we thought about these issues, but we said, oh, but a lot of people don't have access to the internet. A lot of people don't have smartphones. We're seeing more and more in the data that's not as true as it used to be, that technology access is expanding across groups, across demographics, in ways that are really making this something that's possible for more and more people. From the Pew Trust, they do their annual surveys of lots of different issues, but including internet access. So from 2006 to 2016, so just the last decade. For higher income people, almost all have had access to the internet. In 2006, it was only about half of people who made less than $30,000. Now it's more than 3/4. It's close to 80% of people who have incomes less than $30,000. And as they dig deeper into the data, a lot of that is through mobile phones. That smartphones are really the way that, up to a quarter of people, the main way they get access to the internet is through smartphones. So the access issue really has become the vast majority of consumers now have access, and we could show this same graph by age, and you would see even among people 60 and 75 plus, access is way up. So it's less of an age divide as it used to be. Next thing is that the innovation is, the growth curve on the innovation in this field is definitely on the sort of steep part of the acceleration phase, right? We're seeing acceleration breed new acceleration, and a new innovation breed new innovation. And so we're really seeing a lot of new and exciting possibilities out there. But finally, I think there is the caution that this is a fast-moving area. Finance has generally not been a very fast-moving area. It's a highly regulated area. It's an area where we worry a lot about the risks, about the downfalls. And so we have to worry about those pitfalls in this area, too. We could easily leave behind people. We could come up with solutions that actually make some people worse off, or in some cases much worse off. And so thinking about that is going to be important.